Hi, we're happy that you've received the SAT Innovation Pack. What we'll do here is very quickly go through its contents and talk a little bit about what you can do with it. So first of all, in the pack we have two types of cards. One that deals with innovation management and the second with ideation. So let's start with innovation management. The first card is a simple assessment tool to tell you just how innovative you are and what kind of innovator you are. The second tool is similar but on an organizational level. And the third tool is an example of an activity of collecting ideas. And what this card gives you is SIT's approach to collecting ideas in a structured way with explanations of why and how to do it. The second ideation pack is also divided in two. One of them is the SAT tools, and the second, the principles, and I'll explain in a moment what we mean by principles. So first, the tools. The first 5 SAT tools are the core of our methodology: multiplication, subtraction, task unification, attribute dependency, and divisions. And we also added an additional tool called attribute value mapping, which is very useful both for marketing communications and for new product development. And here you have a set of 3 cards that describe SAT's approach to problem solving. Now, these tools are very useful in order to deal with your business challenges or any challenge that requires innovation. But what we've learned in SAT through the years is that in order to use the tools well, you need also to be aware of several key principles. And these principles will help you overcome what we call your cognitive fixedness. The first principle, closed world, then function follows form. Then there's a card that helps you select when you need to work with the function follows form approach or the problem solving approach. And finally, one of our principles called NFS, which stands for near far sweet. So to sum up, you have the innovation management cards, the tool cards, and the principle cards. And using them all together, you can deal both with the individual aspects of innovation and the team and organizational aspects. So how do we recommend that you use these tools? First of all, read them in order to learn the tools and principles. Second, these are very useful as kind of cheat sheets to remind you to be more innovative and also remind you the techniques, the SAT techniques of being more innovative. Third, these are very useful to share this knowledge with others. We recommend that you use the tools to share the knowledge with colleagues and even sometimes to facilitate small sessions with them. And lastly, we'll be very happy that you contact us. We can give you further advice and support on how to use these cards. Also, we can refer you to links to our books and articles that you can read and learn more about the methodology. And in some cases, maybe you would like to invite us over for courses, workshops, and get to know all the work that we do. And as we say in SAT, it's not about doing innovation, it's about trying to innovate in everything that you do. Enjoy!